Hi. Over this pandemic period, the housing situation has deteriorated further. Almost 500,000 households face eviction, rapacious landlords cramming more tenants into smaller, expensive spaces or evicting them to create even more profitable Airbnbs. The decreasing stock of social housing is going to rack and ruin. Street homelessness is on the rise. For those at the bottom rungs of the housing ownership, fulfilling the Thatcherite dream is becoming a living nightmare. They are trapped in properties rendered worthless by combustible cladding. Millions, however, are so desperate that living in one of these death traps would be a desirable result. Trouble is, they couldn't afford it. Incredibly, but not surprisingly, the price of some properties on the coast have increased by a staggering 25% in the space of the COVID year. The construction of luxury flats, many purchased off-plan by overseas investors, have continued apace all over London. Welcome to the unfolding new normal. As horrific as these facts are, the bitter reality is the absolute lack of grassroots resistance and meaningful organising, particularly at the bottom end of the spectrum. It's passive suffering in silence, no solidarity, which reinforces this never-ending cycle. But even now, parts of the formerly smug, narcissistic middle classes buying into the home-owning democracy are being plunged into the cruel reality of the housing crisis UK. A byproduct of this is the soaring increase in physical and mental health problems. Many are on the verge of cracking up at the mere thought of it all, as the realisation approaches them remorselessly and inevitably. Question is, when and where are we going to start fighting back and pressing our demands on the streets, taking direction? So far, it's all deafening silence. Bye.